Anderson Silva's career hanging in the balance after second failed drug test. Yesterday evening, it was announced that the legendary middleweight had failed an out-of-competition screening which was conducted on October 26. As a result of his positive test, Silva has been removed from his upcoming bout with Kelvin Gastelum, which was due to headline UFC Fight Night 122 in Shanghai, China on November 25. The UFC organization was notified today that the U.S. anti-doping agency, USADA, has informed Anderson Silva of a potential anti-doping policy violation stemming from an out-of-competition sample collected on October 26, 2017, a UFC statement read. As a result, Silva has been provisionally suspended by USADA. Due to the proximity of Silva's upcoming scheduled bout at UFC Fight Night, Shanghai, China on November 25, 2017 against Kelvin Gastelum, Silva has been removed from the card and UFC is currently seeking a replacement. USADA, the independent administrator of the UFC anti-doping policy, will handle the results management and appropriate adjudication of this case involving Silva. Under the UFC anti-doping policy, there is a full and fair legal process that is afforded to all athletes before any sanctions are imposed. Additional information will be provided at the appropriate time as the process moves forward. As a result, Silva has been provisionally suspended by USADA. Due to the proximity of Silva's upcoming scheduled bout at UFC Fight Night, Shanghai, China on November 25, 2017 against Kelvin Gastelum, Silva has been removed from the card and UFC is currently seeking a replacement. A UFC statement: Silva's positive test is the second of his long and storied mixed martial arts career. In February 2015, it was revealed that Silva failed a post-fight drug test following his UFC 183 win over Nick Diaz, which overturned to a no contest. The test discovered traces of the anabolic steroid drostanolone in Silva's system, which the Spiders team claimed was the result of him ingesting a tainted sexual performance drug. Silva was handed a 1-year suspension for his first anti-doping violation. The United States Anti-Doping Agency could take Silva's previous drug test failure into account when deciding a suitable punishment for the Brazilian, despite the fact it took place before they partnered up with the UFC. Whatever punishment 42-year-old Silva receives will more likely bring about the end of his MMA career. And if he is found guilty of knowingly taking the banned substance found in his system, it could very well result in him no longer being considered the greatest fighter of all time.